Hi guys, this is Sadik from Dotnet.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to pass the strong integrity test using the Keybox XML file. Well, first and foremost, I would like to say that for the past 1 week, I was not quite well, so I wasn't able to upload any video or write any guide and share any Keybox file with you. So sorry for that, but now that I am up and running once again, I'll start sharing the file after this video. So all you have to do is just drop in your request in this guide. I've given the link of this guide in the video description. Drop in your request over here and then I will share the file with you. The last time I was able to share the file was the 17th March, and after that I became seriously ill and then I was not able to work across YouTube or my website. But now I'm feeling somewhat better, so I will start sharing the files once again with you. Simply drop in the comments or request in this guide and your task stands complete. So with that said, if you are new to this video, then I'll show you all the steps on how to get this job done. Well, first and foremost, your phone should be rooted. That's quite obvious. If you're on a stock firmware, it's recommended to root the phone via Magisk or the Magisk Canary build. And for the custom ROM, you will have to sideload the Magisk zip file. So regarding the rooting, always go for the Magisk Canary because the stable and beta build will not let you pass the strong test. So use the Magisk Canary for root. Then you have to flash the Shamiko module, and LS4 framework is required for the Shamiko module to work. Then the plain integrity fix for spoofing the device. Then Zygisk is also required for hiding the Zygisk in the Magisk app. Then the Tricky Store, which will give you the Android key attestation. And finally, an unrevoked Keybox XML file, which I will share with you. And this is the file which is required to pass the strong test. Apart from that, a root supported file manager app. For this video, we'll be using the Solid File Manager app. You could use any one of your choice. For example, there's a Mi Explorer app as well. You could use the Mi Explorer Solid File Manager app or any one of your choice. It's completely your choice. And the Plain Integrity API Checker app, which we will use to check if our phone is passing the strong test or not. As you could see, my phone is currently passing the strong test. So we have used the Plain Integrity API Checker app. You can install this app from Play Store as well. And this is the link, as you could see. So once you have got all these files and you have obtained root via the Magisk Canary build, then let's get started. So as you could see, I've already obtained root. Moving on, your next course of action is to download the Magisk Canary, the Shamiko, LS4, Plain Integrity, Zygisk and Tricky Store. These are the 5 modules. So download all these 5 modules onto your phone. Once you have got hold of these modules, you will have to install the module onto your phone via Magisk. So go to the module tab, tap on install from storage, choose the module zip file and then just tap on OK. The module will be flashed. After flashing each of the module, you will get a reboot option. Don't do a reboot now, do a reboot after flashing all the modules at the end. So once you have flashed all the modules, hit the reboot button. Okay, one more thing, very important thing, you will also have to enable Zygisk. So under Magisk, go to the settings menu, then enable the toggle next to Zygisk from here. It will ask you to do a restart. Don't do a restart now, do a restart after you have flashed all the 5 modules. This will save some time. So first off, enable Zygisk, then flash each of the 5 modules from the Magisk. And once you have done so, you may then do a restart. Simply tap on the reboot icon here and select reboot. Your phone will then reboot to the OS. Once that happens, make sure that all the modules are enabled. Likewise, it should be shown Zygisk as yes. If that's all well and good, then let's move ahead. Now you have to install the Solid File Manager app onto your phone. Once you have installed the app, launch it and then give it the root access as well. Once you have given the root access, tap on the hamburger menu and select root. You will now get a Magisk prompt over here. So tap on grant. Likewise, do one more thing. Enable the auto rotate from here. As you could see, I have done that already. Once you have enabled auto rotate, rotate your phone. And the benefit of doing that is, as you could see, we have now got both the root directory as well as the internal memory. So let's select internal memory. So over here is the root directory and over here is the internal memory. I could now access both the files, both the directory. So now you have to ask for the Keybox file over here and I will share the file onto your email. Once you have got the Keybox XML file, which you could see is over here in my internal memory, I have to transfer the file inside a particular directory, which is the data ADB Tricky Store. Go there and there will be already a Keybox file present there. Just ignore that file. You have to copy this file, the new file which I will give you, copy it from here and paste the file here. You will get a prompt, tap on new and the file will be pasted. The size of the Keybox which I am currently sharing is of 17.08 KB, as you could see. And once you have shared the file, you will once again have to do a restart. So do a restart from the Magisk only. It's quite easy. Just a second. So again, tap on the reboot icon and select reboot. Your phone will now restart. Once that happens, your task is now complete. You will now install the Play Integrity API app from the Play Store, then launch the app, and after launching the app, just tap on check, and you will now pass all the 3 tests. As you could see, you are also passing the strong integrity test. So guys, this is all from this video. If you have any query with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section. And as you could see, all the files which I have shared are getting revoked after some time. So please only use the file if it's extremely important, or else you may, in most cases, only the basic and the device test are sufficient. There's no need to pass a strong test. So please make sure that your app requires a strong test, or else leave the keybox file for someone who really requires it. With that said, till now I have shared the 8 keybox file, and the 8th one has also been revoked, and the file which I am now sharing is the 9th one, and the file of this 9th one should be of 17.02 KB as I have shown you. Just give me a second. Data, ADB, and Tricky Store. So you could see the latest file, which is the 9th file, because 8th one has also been revoked. The 9th file should be of 17.08 KB. So make sure you are getting this file, and for the file sharing, it might take a couple of days. So please bear with me for that time frame. And as I've told you before, this is the guide from wherein you could use all the instructions and the steps to pass the test. And this guide is required to drop in your comments. So drop in your comments over here with a valid email ID, and I will share the file with you. Once you have got the file, you could simply place the file in this directory, Data ADB Tricky Store, and then you will pass all the 3 tests as I have shown you. Again, keep in mind that this file will only be valid for across, I guess, a maximum 4 to 5 days, after which the file will again be revoked. Once that happens, do let me know. Also, I will keep a track of myself. So as soon as the file gets revoked, I will find a new file and then share the file with you guys as well. So do keep a note of that as well. And with that said, I round off this video. If you have any query with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section. And thanks a lot for watching.